Hi, friends. Are you ready for some alphabet surprises? Let's go. A, 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 A is for apple. Can you say apple? Great job. B, B, B. B is for butterfly. Look at it flutter. So pretty. C, C, K. C is for carrot. Crunch, 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 yummy. D, D. D is for daisy. What a beautiful flower. E, A. A is for elephant. It's a big purple elephant. F. F is for flower. Smell the lovely flower. G. G is for grapes. Sweet green grapes. Yum. H. H is for hamburger. A giant space snack. I is for ice cream. Cold and sweet. J is for jelly. Wiggle, waggle. It's purple jelly. K is for kiwi. A fuzzy green kiwi. L is for lemon. Ooh, a sour yellow lemon. M is for muffin. A sparkly magic muffin. N is for noodles. Slurp them up. Yummy noodles. O is for octopus. 1, 2, 3, 8 wiggly arms. P is for pearl. Look at the shiny white pearl. Q is for queenfish. She's swimming so gracefully. R is for rainbow fish. Look at all those colors. S is for seahorse. Giddy up, little seahorse. T is for turtle. Slow and steady. Hello, turtle. U is for umbrella jellyfish, floating through the bubbles. V is for van. Beep, beep. Here comes a toy van. W. Woo. W is for watch. Tick tock, tick tock. What time is it? X. Cas, cacus, eois. X is for xylophone. Let's play a happy song. Y type Y, yash Y. Y is for yo-yo. Up and down, up and down. Z. Z is for zebra. A wooden zebra with cool stripes.